Rolling motion on the moving base or moving platform. Let us see. In this particular corner, we have three type of questions. First type of questions are nothing but uniform speed but in the forward direction, uniform speed but backward direction, and non-uniform motion. Three type of questions are there. Now in the given problem, suppose if the platform is moving uniformly in the horizontal direction with the speed of u, then at this point, okay, so speed at this particular point Vp is equal to, now which one is dominating here? Vc will dominate compared to r omega, therefore I can write this. And in second case, when platform is going in the backward direction, means which one is right now dominating? Tangential speed is dominating, therefore resultant velocity at p is equal to greater than as r omega minus Vc we can write down. In this particular problem, if the object is moving in this direction, okay, then the velocity at the point of contact is equal to acceleration of center of mass is dominating minus, okay, tangential speed is nothing but r alpha we have to take. So take it as a trial 1, this is Vp1, let us take. Now the platform is going in this direction, then we can write down as Vp2 is equal to, now r alpha dominates minus, you can write down as acceleration of center of mass at this particular location. Very simple problem. So in the examination, to confuse you, they will add some tag vectors, I, j, like that. They will give you vectors. You remove all the vectors first. Caps, take only magnitude. Okay, remember that, take only magnitude. And try to substitute in this particular values. And, okay, the sign of this particular platform. Example, this particular sign going in one direction, x-axis. That means final answer is with I cap. Here also final answer with what? So final answer, this is going in what direction? Backward. Therefore final answer is with minus I cap. You have to write down. These are the values. And here also same thing we can apply. So in this particular application, we studied about what? On the moving platform, how to determine velocity of the point of contact only we studied.